Hello students, welcome to our channel. In the video, we will talk about the exercise 2.8 sum number 9. If z is equal to 2 minus 2i, find the rotation of z by theta radians in the counterclockwise direction about the origin. So, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா counterclockwise direction. What is meant by counterclockwise direction? That is nothing but anticlockwise direction. Z is equal to 2 minus 2i கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 2 minus 2i na definitely this will be in fourth quadrant. X distance is 2 and y distance is minus 2. So, நமக்கு fourth quadrantல zங்கிற point இருக்கு. இப்போ zங்கிற point we are rotating about the origin. Origin பொறுத்து just we are rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. இப்படி anti-clockwise directionல theta radiansக்கு rotate பண்ணும்போது what is the rotation of z ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So in order to find out the rotation of z, we have the formula. The rotation of z is given by z into e power I theta. For that, z must be in polar form. Polar form of z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is r? R is nothing but modulus. It is a root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part is 2, 2 square plus imaginary part is minus 2, minus 2 square. 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square also 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 root kullarnu veliyedukkanumna 2 root 2. So r is 2 root 2. Then in order to find out theta, நம்ம first என்ன கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? Alpha கண்டுபிடிப்போம். Z lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrantல இருக்கறனால theta will be equal to minus alpha. First quadrant theta is equal to alpha. Fourth quadrant அதுக்கு opposite. Theta is equal to minus alpha. So alpha கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு we have the formula that is tan inverse of modulus of imaginary part by real part. So this is equal to tan inverse of modulus of imaginary part is minus 2, real part is 2. So both gets cancelled. Modulus of minus 1 is 1. So tan inverse of 1 you will get. So tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4, 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to minus pi by 4. So which gives the polar form of z as z is equal to r into na 2 root 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta, that is cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. So இங்க நமக்கு rotation வேணும்னா z into e power I theta. So z must be in polar form. அதையும் நம்ம வந்து Euler's formula use பண்ணி e power எழுதிட்டோம்னா when we are multiplying e power, the power becomes addition. So அதுக்காக the polar form we are changing into the Euler's form, that is e power I theta ன்னு எழுதுவோம், that is e power I into angle value, e power I into minus pi by 4, minus pi by 4. Subdivision 1 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா theta is equal to pi by 3 க்கு rotate பண்ணும்போது what is rotation of z ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Therefore the rotation of z is given by z into e power I theta. So we got what is z. Z is nothing but 2 root 2 into e power minus I into pi by 4 into e power I into theta. Theta is pi by 3. So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா e power இருக்கறனால when we are multiplying we can add the power. It is e power I common எடுத்துட்டோம்னா minus pi by 4 plus pi by 3. So cross multiply பண்ணா we can take the LCM. So by cross multiplying 2 root 2 e power I into cross multiply பண்ணா this becomes minus 3 pi and this term becomes 4 pi and denominator is 12. So this is 2 root 2 e power I minus 3 pi plus 4 pi is pi by 12. This is the rotation of z when the angle is pi by 3. Second subdivision when theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, the rotation of z is given by z into e power I theta. So what is that? That is nothing but 2 root 2 e power minus I into pi by 4 into e power I theta is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Powers we can add it. So I into minus pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 by cross multiplying e power I minus 3 pi கிடைக்கும். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 into 4 is 8 pi divided by 12. It is 2 root 2 e power I. 8 pi minus 3 pi is 5 pi by 12. 5 pi by 12. Third subdivision, when theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. The rotation of z is equal to z into e power I theta, that is equal to 2 root 2 e power minus I pi by 4 into e power I 3 pi by 2. So e powers multiply irukku, we can add the power by taking e common. E to the power I into minus pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 2. So இங்க LCM 4 எடுக்கலாம். Denominator 4 வேணும்னா இந்த term 2 ஆல multiply and divide பண்ணலாம். So this is 2 root 2 e power I into minus pi plus 2 into 3 is 6 pi whole divided by 4. So this is 2 root 2 e power I. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 4. In this sum, the rotation of z is given by z into e power I theta. அதுக்கு main thing z must be in polar form. Polar form கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் z we are writing in terms of Euler form. ஏன் Euler formல எழுதுறோம்னா z Euler formலயே இருந்தது அப்படின்னா e power term multiply பண்ணும்போது powers நம்ம add பண்ணிக்கலாம். So only we are writing z in Euler's form. இந்த sum உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Suppose உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது doubt இருந்தா உங்க comments comment boxல post பண்ணுங்க. Thanks for watching.